So hello and welcome. Just another update vlog. So I'm currently stood in the area that I'm going to be renting out. So this is where the Props to You headquarters is going to be. So basically it's just this massive open space. Took down the side of some of these units. I did want one of them units, but they ain't got any available. So basically he had some space and he was like, the farmer owns it, was like, yeah, you can rent that off me if you like. So we've come to an agreement. I'm going to buy a massive marquee, which is going to go sort of here, sort of in the middle. I wanted to put it further to the back, but it won't fit 'cause it's not wide enough. But then that gives me loads of room at the back as well, so that's fine. I might buy a smaller tent or a container or something and put it back there for storage. But yeah, basically the marquee that I'm buying is from here, so from where my foot is to the wall. So it's 5 meters wide and it'll be 10 meters long. So it goes sort of up there somewhere. So yeah, that should be, it's a good start. It's cheap. It gets me a premises, all legit and above board. So, you know, that's good. No nasty surprises. So yeah, it's I'm just don't know what I'm gonna do with the floor yet, because I mean it's hard-ish and it's fairly level, but I don't know if I want to be working on that sort of ground. I think what I'll do is I'll get the tent up, let it dry out properly, see what it's like, and if it needs more leveling or something, I might line the floor with pallets and then plywood over the top. That'll give me a half decent floor, I think. But yeah, I mean, I've got plenty of room to do what I need to do. So the marquee will finish here, where I've put that line in. So that'll be basically all that, and then I've still got all this out the front for parking and other bits. So yeah, I've still got a walkway down the side, still be able to get down the side of it. So yeah, this is this is finally happening. I'm doing it. I've been looking for a unit for a year and a half, nothing about. So when this came up, I was like, yeah, let's just do it. Let's get somewhere. You know, I've had to fork out a lot of money for a good marquee, but hey, just hope it's not going to be too cold in the winter, because I'm already cold. But I'll get some heaters and that in there. We should be fine. I'll just layer up. Just have to work a bit harder. So yeah, I'll get this place officially tomorrow. Just come down just to size up. I'll make sure that the marquee that I bought is going to fit. But yeah, it'll fit nicely. So we'll, yeah, that's it. We got to just wait for the marquee to turn up, and then we can start putting it together and yeah, putting bits in. Not sure how easy it's going to be to set up because it's big. It's 5 meters by 10 meters and it's like 4 meters high or something. So yeah, I'm going to need some help, I think, because I'm going to struggle putting that up on my own. But yeah, this is it. This is where a lot of the vlogs are going to be from now on, when it all gets set up. So yeah, it's a short one, but I thought I'd share it with you all. So yeah, gonna have to make a sign out the front. Gonna have to, just so people know that I'm here. But yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot of work, but should pay off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.